We developed our own MCP server. We've integrated that with ClickHouse Cloud, and then we've got this agentic experience on the front end where anybody in the company can go in and just ask any question about how the company's performing. And in milliseconds or in seconds, depending on the complexity of the query, they're getting, those results and then a lot more insights into, the health of the company. And it's getting pretty sophisticated in terms of the modeling that you can perform. Like we've got this, 2.5 years of performance data sitting in a ClickHouse Cloud service, and I can ask it. We're closing the quarter today. Our fiscal year runs through the end of January, so this is being filmed on Halloween, October 31st. And so I can ask a question. All right, we're closing Q3 today, and this is all consumption based, as you know from your time at Snowflake. So we can look across thousands of customers around their consumption and kind of extrapolate based off their historical growth what we expect over the next few months. So I can say, can you predict where we're going to finish the fiscal year 90 days from now, the end of January, and create three different scenarios for me. Create a pessimistic scenario where their consumption, decelerates, create a realistic scenario where it's just takes historical performance and extrapolates that, and then create a optimistic scenario where, they increase their consumption, we add more customers than we ever have before, and then tell me what we can do to influence, a more favorable outcome. And the LLM, provides that and a lot more insight. So if you think about that as traditional BI, I just really think that sector is just going to be ripe for disruption, with the emergence of these AI capabilities.